Hey everybody, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through a 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. This particular one is outfitted in gunmetal flake gel coat, white interior, gray sea deck, beautiful transom sun pad, transom shower. You have the 9-inch Simrad vessel view. Very spacious head compartment, just like all of our 270 Sundecks. Walking up to the bow. Upgraded stereo system, flip down armrests. There's a good look back at the boat. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of our other boats here at MarineMax in Clearwater, you can give me a call at 727-536-BOAT, or you can call me on my mobile. That's area code 803-760-0609. Thanks for watching.